Hello everyone, welcome back to my weekly unbox again. So I'm excited to show you what I have this week. So this week a busy week. So I got 2 boxes of cactus come in. I have succulent like usual. So my storage like a mess right now. So I already unboxed them and ready to show you now. Okay. So these are double head. These are single like usual. This is new. Yeah, beautiful dark red, a little green inside, but more purple too. So beautiful colors. I have the new guy here. This is new too. Yeah, pretty black at the tip. Nice color. This is new at Wales. There's a baby finger, so it's not new. This one also new. This guy is new and expensive. 2, 4, 6, 8 head. So a lot of head. Leticia like usual. And Lucky Charm huge. Pretty huge. And Longus also huge too. And I also have small size. If you don't want a big size, I also have small size. But this little disappointed is it look big in the pictures, but it tiny. Tiny. And this is one wrench and the other is 2, not together. So it's little smaller than I expect. This one is new guy too. cute. Lola, it's called Lola, but the color is so beautiful. This one not new, we got a few last time. Cute purple. This one new too. Yeah, 2 head. Okay, so we're done for this box. Let's move to another box. This guy is expensive, and someone asked me to buy a smaller size so they can get, but I forget who it is. So this is smaller size but beautiful colors, strong and healthy. This is new, really big and heavy. This is look like Laui, but it's cream tea. This is new, big cluster. This one looks similar with Leticia, but it's not. It's not. It's different. So I have 2. Opalina. This one my favorite too. Beautiful colors and a lot of heads. This is nice color too. Beautiful variegated. And this funny guy, strand color, little fat, cute. Just one range this time. And this is cool too. 8 head. And look at these. This time we got triple head. It's really rare to find a triple. Usually it comes in single. And I got couple time double. But this time we lucky, we got triple, which is nice. Super boom. Beautiful color. Mom Joe, nice and pretty as usual. I have 3. Orange Monroe, like candy, like usual. Last one, pinky. All right. Here's some fuzzy. I just have 2 variegated left. And lovely rose, beautiful. More lovely rose. I just put them all together so it look cool. I have a few rainbow left. Nixon, Rolly, and Morning Glow. These put out the sun and they turn purple, real nice. So another longest, and some more crested there, candy crested, and angel wing there. All right, look at my cotyledon. Big and huge. Okay, so all done. That's all we have for this week. All right, let's take a look again one more time. This is my favorite. Oh, I forgot to show you red finger. This is huge too. Yeah, I put it out so it get more orange. Yeah. All right. So thanks for watching. I will see you next week.